Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we are going to see how to use Asterisk AMD, means answering machine detection on Debian 12. This application attempts to detect answering machines at the beginning of outbound calls. Simply call this application after the call has been answered, outbound only, of course. Check the OS version by using following command. Check the OS version by using following command. Check the Asterisk version by using following command. Go to the following location by using following command. Edit the extension.conf file to check dial plan and make the configuration with the AMD application by using following command. Here I will make an AMD application. Here I will make a condition for the human value using go to if application and AMD variable. This is the AMD variable. This variable will give the value as human. Here I have made the condition as if the AMD status variable value as human, the call go to the triple extension human priority label. Here I will make another one condition using go to if application. Here I have made the condition as if the AMD status variable value is machine, the call go to the triple extension machine priority label. Here I will make the human priority label. Here I will make the machine priority label. Now I will save and put the file. Now I will open and check the AMD configuration by using following command. This is the default AMD configuration. This is the total duration of AMD. This is the silence threshold. This is the initial silence duration. You will able to see the command. If the initial silence duration exceeded, then the result will be yours machine. This is the after greeting silence duration. The command you will able to see if this exceeded, it will give us human. So also this is the greeting duration, and this is minimum word length duration. This is the maximum word length duration. So this is the between words silence duration. So this is the maximum number of words. Now I will quit the file. Now I will go to the another tab. I will log Asterisk console by using following command. Now I will reload the dial plan by using following command. Now I will reload the AMD module by using following command. Now I will make a call to check the AMD working status by using microchip applications. Now I will make a call from 112 extension to 110 extension. Hello. I was spoke a word. In the time the AMD application detected a word, it was gave the value as human. The go to if application condition is true, so the go to application sent to the call to the 111 extension human priority label. So I will make another call to check the AMD working status by using Microsoft applications. Now I will make another call to 110 extension. In this time I was not spoke any words, so the AMD application consider the silence and it gave the machine value. So the go to application sent to the call to the 111 extension machine priority label. So this is the steps to use Asterisk AMD application on Debian 12.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.